Oh, that looks good.
It's not done yet. It's almost.
Is that the what? The roast? The brisket? What is that?
It's a pork loin.
Pork loin. Smells good.
I hate myself on camera.
This is Tom. Tom the Killer Turkey.
Say what?
He will chase you the F around.
If you ask him what, he'll say what?
What?
What? What?
One of the mini meow meows right there.
There's little Smoky playing with the ball.
Chickens!
Oh, there you go. The geese are drinking out of Xavier's water.
Oh, we're gonna get that. Doo-doo. Doo-doo, doo. Sexy motorcycle. Doo-doo, doo-doo. Geestas. Mark, 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 mark. Mark, 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 mark. Mark, 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 mark. Mark, 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 mark.
Obama sucks. You say it.
Well, I don't say sucks. Yeah, I do. Hey, Julia, bring that around on this side. I gotta get this side wet.
I can. See, I can't put this already.
It does start falling over here. Gotta call that thing again.
Why? We didn't get this cut. Did you see how I did that?
Amazing.
How much do we have to do this? How long? I mean,
You need to get it wet.
I've got it wet 50 billion times.
How'd it go?
Guess what I asked Mom?
See that look she gave you?
What?
I asked her whenever you pulled up, because she asked me to hold her cigarette for a minute, and I asked her whenever, stop making that face. He's doing that. I asked her whenever you pull up if I can hold her cigarette and stand up there, see what you say. She goes, no, and she grabbed a cigarette from me.
It'd probably be all 10 kinds of flip out.
That's funny.
But I know your mom, and nothing like that would ever happen. I don't have to worry about it.
Nope. Kill her first.
You can't turn that back, can you? Give me a hug.
Whoa! No, no hugs! Wet kids, wet kids! Ah!
Watch out, there's holes on there.
Yeah, Rico with a broken ankle.
Yeah, because that's where we pulled some of these posts out of.
Oh! Ah!
5 seconds later. Ow!
Most
Ow,
of them
broken
we
ankle.
crossed in, but some of them we haven't. I think he wants the one with the
Show me an emotion, Tabby. Show me teen angst.
one with the claws.
Hey!
Show me an emotion. Show me teen angst. Oh, you should see your face. This is awesome.
What?
The one with the claws on it.
God.
What do you think?
I thought only one was this one.
No, there's one claw.
Stop it! If Phoebe was here, I would say sick him and she'd run at him. Phoebe is here. She's buried over there.
You tell her.
I just...
You tell her more. And
You
stuff.
got my headband on. You got my headband on. You got the curling iron on your head. You got the curling iron on your head. Look at it. Look at it. See it?
Oh, yeah. You got to get in there real deep like with the camera.